Today we're gonna make one of my favorite Mediterranean diet recipes. This is a simple hummus. It's so easy, it's almost laughable. So what I've got out here are garbanzo beans. We have tahini with some olive oil, a little bit of cumin and garlic. Each of these have tremendous health properties. I'm gonna go through them briefly. A lot of us are looking for great sources of protein. I know I am all the time. I'm trying to add it up, get to that 70 or 80 grams a day. You get about 15 to 20 grams of protein with a serving of chickpeas. That's a power punch, especially when you're not trying to do too much meat, maybe in your diet for sure. So I've got these chickpeas sort of sorted out here. I'm gonna pour those directly into my food processor, and it's okay if we make a mess, right? I'm always messy when I cook. My husband hates it, by the way, so he's like, I love your food, but I hate the mess. And I'm like, oh well, we gotta work together. All right, here we've got the tahini and the olive oil. Now, olive oil I love, and it's a huge part of a Mediterranean diet. It's high in omega-9 fats. And here's a fun fact about omega-9 fats. It actually helps with estrogen regulation. It helps with estrogen breakdown. In addition to that, of course, it helps with skin and hair health. So we're gonna pour the tahini and olive oil combination directly into the food processor as well. We've got that ready to go. Garlic, which again is an anti-inflammatory. It has great anti-allergy components as well, but we're gonna drop that in. And then when it comes to spice and salt, I always say have fun with it, right? So I'm gonna just take a little pinch of salt and put it in there. If it's not enough for you, you can always come back and add in a little bit extra down the road. And then cumin, which is, I use in almost everything. Again, I don't know if it's due to our Indian heritage, but I literally think I put cumin in almost every recipe, and I'm definitely putting it in this hummus recipe too. Cumin's a great spice. It's considered a warming spice in Ayurveda, meaning it helps the digestion, it helps warm up the gut, and helps sort of prep the food for a bigger meal down the road. That's why if you look at many Middle Eastern or even Indian meals, they start with things like hummus and things that have more spices in it to get the body ready for digestion. Okay, so I think I've got all my ingredients in. I'm actually gonna add just a little bit of lemon, maybe just about a half a squeeze here to add that in as well. And then we're gonna take a second to blend this all up, and then we're able to serve it. And we've got the cucumbers and carrots. Anything you wanna dip really works with hummus. So my daughter, for example, likes red bell peppers, which is unique, but hey, to each their own. Okay, let's get ready to mix this up, and we will go from there.